Now, this YouTuber says you can earn $127 an hour doing this side hustle that not that many people are talking about. Now, is this legit or? Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I just watched a video from a YouTuber. I believe his name is Aaron Brantley. And in it, he talks about how you can make $127 an hour doing this simple side hustle. All right. Now, the side hustle that he is talking about is called flipping. All right. Now, flipping, even though he said no one's talking about this in the video, you know, flipping been around for years. All right. But he talked about how basically you just go to different auctions, right? You can go to different thrift stores. You can go to garage sales. And what you do is try to buy things very, very cheap. And then you take them home and then you resell them on different sites. You can use Facebook Marketplace, eBay. I think Craigslist still around, and they actually have several other places that you can actually resell these products that you found. Now, the key is to try to get these products as cheap as you can, right? And, you know, you want to be able to sell stuff that people are actually buying, that people are actually paying more money than you paid for. So for example, he was talking about how he got something really, really cheap. I don't know if it was like $5 or $10. He ended up reselling it for like $80, you know, on one of the reseller websites. And he was just like, yo, at that point, like he was hooked. All he does now is go around to different garage sales and auctions, and he pretty much makes a decent amount of money doing this. So in my opinion, is this a legit way to actually make some money? Can you actually make $127 an hour doing this? And in my opinion, yes, you actually can. Now, of course, you know, when you say doing something, you know, hourly, I think what he means is if you put in a certain effort and you make a certain amount of money, if you divide up how much money you can make, say in a week, if you divide it up and use it like in the sense of an 8-hour work week, it probably could average out to you making $127 an hour, depending on the effort that you put in. But I am all about flipping. Flipping is one of the most legit ways to make money online. But the key is, right, to find things that you can get very, very cheap that people are paying more for online, right? And then the second thing is be consistent. If you get into flipping, come and, you know, develop your own strategy where you know where you want to go. You know where the garage sales, you know where there's going to be auctions and things like that, right? And then you want to make sure that you have your sites that you plan on selling on, whether it be eBay or Facebook Marketplace or whatever. But if you come up with all of that and you figure all that out, there's no doubt that you should be able to make money flipping. So yes, this YouTuber's way to make money online is definitely legit. Now, if you want to check out another legit way to make money online and how I make money online, you want to click that first link in the description.